Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus as it comes with S Pen in the box. This is a very good S Pen and you can use it in various activities. In this video, I will talk about the features in detail. Actually, Samsung tablets offer more features than iOS devices and it comes with S Pen which doesn't need any charging, and the size of the S Pen, as you can see here, is very comfortable to hold. Whenever you tap on the screen, a pop-up window will open, and as you can see here, you can create notes, you can view all notes, you can smart select, you can screen write, Clip Studio, Canva, Notecell, Translate, and many more options. Also, you can add more options, and also you can go to the settings of the S Pen where you can activate or deactivate many features. As you can see here, writing notes on Samsung Tab S9 FE Plus is very easy. You just have to tap on the create note and it will automatically open, and you can expand the page and also you can start writing. So there are various activities that you can do on this note app. I will not go into detail. I will just show you various options that you can use with the S Pen. Also, you will have a great writing experience on this tablet as it comes with 12.4 inches display. If you want to record your screen, there is a very good feature which is missing in iOS devices. At the time of screen recording, you can use the S Pen and write whatever you want on the screen. Actually, this feature is absent in iOS devices. I did not find this feature on iPad. You cannot write on the screen. You can write on the Note app, but you cannot write like this. So this is an added advantage for the Samsung users. They can use this feature and write and actually point out something. This is very handy for students and also for teachers who take online teaching or actually likes to teach online. So it will be a very good feature for them. They can use various colors to indicate something. So I think this will be a handy feature for them. Plus you can open the screen recording or the front camera. So in this way you can stop recording and it will be automatically saved in your gallery, and if you want to play, you can play this video from the gallery app. Then there is option of smart select. You can select any part of the screen by the use of your S Pen, and you can write anything and then you can share that. Let me give you an example. Suppose I want to select a part of this calendar and I want to write something on it. Suppose I am marking 9th of July or August and I am writing something, then I can save it as a JPG file and I can also share this with the person whom I want to share. Like this you can save it. As of now I will not save it, I will discard it. So in this way you can use a smart select. Then there is another option, screen write. Whenever you touch on it, it will automatically take a screenshot of the screen and then you can write whatever you want to write on the screen. So this is also a very handy feature. You can quickly take screenshot and then you can write on it. So it is also a very good feature. However, this feature is available in iOS devices. Then there is another option that is my favorite, is the translate option. You can translate anything. If you are a student and you want to know the meaning of various words in your own language, you can do that. You just have to hover the S Pen over the words you want to translate. As you can see here, it will automatically translate. For this it needs internet. So you can adjust the language, your target language and your preferred language. Suppose you are reading English newspaper and you want to translate those words into your own language, maybe it Hindi, Bengali or any other regional languages. So these are some handy features that I thought I should share with you. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.